Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a super quick video. I finished something and I am so excited to show you guys, and I know all of you will understand my excitement and what's proudness. I don't know what word that would be, but anyway, for what I finished. And so excuse my attire today. It's bedtime, day's over. But before, like I said, before I go to bed, I want to show you guys this. I am super happy and I'm proud of it. So in my other videos, I had talked about how I had been working on a canopy bed for a me project, not YouTube project, right? And I decided that I was not going to work on any other me projects until I got that bed done. Well, then I decided I wanted to make my mother-in-law a angel for Christmas. So I found a pattern on Etsy, and if you guys are interested, I'll put a link in the description. I will say when I bought it, it was on sale. I think I bought it for like, how much did I pay for that? Maybe $277, I want to say. I think I paid. I don't know. Anyway, I'm not good with remembering things. Anyway, so I bought that pattern, and then I made a bunch of changes to it. Like it suggested using a 2-weight yarn, and I used a 4 with a smaller hook, and it would say to do things this way, and I was like, no, I want to do it this way. I like this better. But anyway, the point of me saying all of this is to say that I finished her. She is done and ready for my mother-in-law for Christmas, and I want to show you guys because I am so super proud of her. So this is the angel. I can't get her all on camera. She is probably a good maybe a foot to 14 inches tall, maybe. Sorry about that. So, yes, this is her. There's a lot of features that I had never done before. Like I had never done this hair cap before. And then I had the wings, a completely different pattern, and I changed it up to how I liked it better. There's her legs. Legs and body are one piece. You sew the arms in as you're crocheting the body. Then you make the head, do all of the design on the head. So there's a lot of face shaping, and well, for my first time, I don't think you can really tell, but there's actually a lot of pulling stitches tight to get cheeks and that nose I had never done before. I thought the nose was adorable. And then the halo, you're actually supposed to wrap the yarn around floral wire, but I ended up just single crocheting around because I was like, there's no way I'm wrapping all of this. And the wings are stiffened, and then I just hot glued them on. I think you're supposed to sew them on, but I just hot glued it. And the same thing with their hair. The wig cap, you're supposed to sew it on, but I just hot glued it. I did do a little sewing on it, but not a bunch. And so the only thing I think I would have probably paid more attention to is have the hair cap come down a little farther. But other than that, she's beautiful. The hair was pretty, I don't want to say stiff, but the curls were pretty stiff, so I took my steamer and steamed it and then just kind of pulled them out like that so they'd have a little more length to them. But that's it. I just wanted to show her to you guys. I'm gonna go wrap her. Alright, sorry this is so short. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss what's next. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.